Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Gaur and I am a Principal Investigator at the International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology in New Delhi, India. I am proposing to develop an innovative vaccine against P. vivax malaria by blocking its specific invasion of human reticulocytes.
Human malaria is caused mainly by two species of Plasmodium, falciparum and vivax. The parasites are injected into the human host through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. After traversing through the liver, the parasites get released into the bloodstream where they will invade red blood cells. These blood stage parasites are responsible for all the clinical symptoms associated with malaria. Malaria is one of the world's most devastating infectious diseases that accounts for 1 million deaths primarily in poor countries. The development of an effective malaria vaccine will be a critical weapon in the global strategy to counter the disease. While vaccine efforts have focused more on falciparum, vivax malaria is geographically more widespread with more people at risk. Thus, to eradicate malaria, it is crucial to eliminate P. vivax malaria as well. Earlier, P. vivax invasion was considered solely dependent on the Duffy antigen through a single pathway, but recent reports suggest that vivax has evolved alternate pathways as vivax infections have been reported in Duffy-negative individuals. I propose to target a novel family of P. vivax reticulocyte binding proteins that are implicated to mediate invasion but are poorly understood. My group has characterized the P. falciparum homologs of these proteins and have shown that they are good targets for blocking invasion. ICGB has a strong record in malaria vaccine development, having conducted the first malaria vaccine trial in India. Thus, we fully understand the business model of translational research. I also collaborate with Dr. Neeru Singh, Director of an Indian Field Institute, to jointly conduct molecular epidemiology studies in malaria endemic regions. This will be critical for clinical trials of our vaccine.
At the end, I would like to thank you all for your time and please don't forget to vote.